Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about mindful memory glow up. We all have experienced memory loss or forgetfulness at some point in our lives. Forgetting where certain things are or losing track of what we were supposed to do can be frustrating and even stressful.
This technique involves a series of steps that you can follow to train your mind to pay attention to the present moment without judgment or distraction. By practicing this technique regularly, you can improve your concentration and memory over time. But did you know that there is a secret to improving your memory and focus called the mindful memory glow up? The first step to the mindful memory glow up is to accept that you are experiencing a memory lapse or forgetfulness. Remember that everyone experiences memory loss or forgetfulness at some point in their lives, and it's not something to be ashamed of. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a loved one. It can be easy to feel frustrated or stressed when you can't remember something, but it's important to remember that this is a normal part of the human experience. The final step to the mindful memory glow up is to integrate these techniques into your daily life. By following these 5 steps, you can improve your memory and concentration and become more mindful of your thoughts and feelings. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you. This means making a conscious effort to be present and aware of your thoughts and feelings throughout the day, not just when you are experiencing memory lapses or forgetfulness. By practicing these techniques regularly, you will be able to improve your concentration and memory over time. This means paying attention to the here and now and letting go of any thoughts about the past or future. It can be helpful to focus on your senses and really tune into the present moment. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch right now? By focusing on the present moment, you will be able to calm your mind and improve your concentration. So take a deep breath and remind yourself that it's okay to forget things sometimes. The mindful memory glow up is a simple yet powerful technique that can help you remember things more easily and stay focused on the task at hand. Right. So let's get started with step 1, acceptance. Step 2, observation. Once you have accepted that you are experiencing memory loss or forgetfulness, the next step is to observe the thoughts and feelings that come up for you. Are you feeling anxious or stressed? Are you judging yourself for forgetting something? Take a moment to really tune into your body and notice any physical sensations that may be present. This could be anything from a racing heart to tense muscles. By taking the time to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment, you will be able to better understand them and ultimately let them go. Step 3, focus on the present moment. The third step to the mindful memory glow up is to focus on the present moment. Step 4, self-compassion. The fourth step is to practice self-compassion towards yourself. Be kind and understanding towards yourself. Step 5, integration. So there you have it, the mindful memory glow up. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.